I found 15 websites that you can start using to make easy money daily, most of which require no experience and cost nothing to start. Number 1 is going to make you more money than, well, an ATM. So maybe you've heard that you can make money online taking surveys, but I mean, come on. We all know that most of these survey websites are complete and utter scams, and you may end up making only a few dollars for hours worth of work. However, Google Opinion Rewards is different, and it actually works. For starters, Google Opinion Rewards is brought to you by the same company behind Google, which is Google. While it's easier for smaller survey websites to scam you, Google is one of the largest companies in the world and is likely going to follow through with its promise to pay you for doing surveys. Google Opinion Rewards lets you take concise surveys, some lasting just a few seconds, and earn money doing so. You can take these surveys during the ride home from work, at night, in bed, or dare I say it, while you have a meeting with nature. Getting started is easy. Download the app on your iPhone or Android device and answer a few basic questions about yourself. You'll then start to get notified anytime a survey is ready for you to take, with the money being sent directly to your PayPal account. Obviously, with that being said, this is not going to be the kind of app that replaces your job, but if you can earn a few extra dollars during your off time, then it can start to add up very fast. Definitely not life-changing money, but after all, it is easy money to make, so I'll give it a 1 out of 10. Enroll is a user testing website that allows you to make easy money testing websites, mobile apps, and things like that. The concept is simple. Join the website as a tester and get paid for taking usability tests and providing feedback based on your experience. Now, what makes Enroll different from some of the other similar websites on this list is that Enroll does not require you to have a microphone or webcam. You can check the requirements, follow the instructions, and answer a few basic questions about your experience using the website. A quick few-minute test can earn you between 50 cents and $2, and a more complex test can earn you up to $10. That's not bad, but there are actually some better user testing websites that do pay more money, which we'll go over shortly. However, you can still use this website in addition to the other websites that we'll go over shortly. I'll give Enroll a 2 out of 10. It's definitely not the best on the list, especially compared to number 1. Second to none is a secret shopper website that you can sign up for to start earning extra income by doing things like eating and shopping. Second to none mystery shoppers work as independent contractors. Work is available on an assignment by assignment basis, and you have full choice in deciding whether or not you want to accept or decline an assignment when it becomes available. Second to None was actually voted as Inky's best place to work in 2019 and offers shopping assignments across the US and Canada. All you need to get started is a cell phone, a reliable internet connection, and a means of transportation. Outside of that though, getting started is easy, and you can start earning as much as $20 per hour as a secret shopper. I have made as much as $7,000 or $8,000 in a year. That's the income Sephora Jones makes on her side hustle as a mystery shopper. Sephora Jones is destroying the secret shopper game. 3 out of 10. What if there was a way for you to sell the pictures that you took on your iPhone or Android device to companies like Bank of America, Kraft, Sony, and Volvo and make money doing so? I mean, literally, selfies of yourself, pictures that you took of your food, that pretentious picture of a sailboat that you took. Well, as you probably have guessed by now, you can with a website called Fope, which sounds way too similar to another word, no comment. Fope lets you upload the videos and pictures that you take with your phone and sell them to brands, agencies, or really anybody willing to buy them. Vope will then share these profits with you 50-50. I'm giving this a 4 out of 10. To get started, download the app on your Apple or Android device, sign up for a free account, and start posting. That sounds fantastic. You can also earn even more money by submitting videos and pictures to their missions. Follow the mission brief and upload 1 or more videos or pictures that reflect the kind of imagery the brand is after. If they select your images, and sometimes they select multiple images, you can earn hundreds of extra dollars. Lime is a type of fruit, but outside of that, it's also a scooter company from which you can make some pretty good money. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, how can I make money with scooters? And more importantly, why are you holding a lime? Well, you can make money with scooters by juicing them and becoming a lime juicer. Lime juicers are people who juice limes, not actual limes, but lime scooters. Basically, these people walk or drive around their town harvesting or picking up lime scooters from the street. street. They then juice or charge these scooters and drop them off at designated spots provided by the app. The process is very straightforward, and lime juicers can earn about $8 per scooter. Depending on how hard the scooter is to harvest, you could get paid more per scooter. Many lime juicers have reported earning between $20 and $30 per hour juicing limes. I'll give juicing limes a 5 out of 10. So you've heard of Lime, the scooter company, but another scooter company that you can make money from by charging scooters is Bird. The concept of making money with Bird is a little bit different though, and honestly, the potential to make more money with Bird than with Lime is greater. With Bird, you sign up as a Bird flyer through the app. You start as a mere level 1 flyer, but you can level up by completing various tasks. At each status level, you gain additional perks and ways to make more money. For example, starting at level 2, you'll unlock higher paying charging tasks, such as collecting and charging scooters. The base price for each scooter that you collect is $5, but the more difficult the scooter is to collect, the higher the pay will be. Active Bird flyers have reported earning as much as $100 per night collecting and charging scooters. Obviously, to earn this much, you need to be as efficient as possible. And so obviously having a pickup truck, SUV, or van is going to be a lot more efficient because it's going to allow you to collect more scooters compared to a mid-sized sedan. I'll give bird flying a solid 5 out of 10. Get paid to shop, eat, or play. At least that's the motto of MarketForce, a mystery shopping website that you can sign up for and get paid for enjoying life. The job of a mystery shopper is simple. Go into a store, restaurant, movie theater, or wherever, and pretend to be a normal customer. In the meantime, you're taking notes and compiling a report, which is then given back to a third-party company such as MarketForce. Now, the pay can vary depending on the difficulty of the task and the store that you visit, but on average, you can expect to earn about $20 per hour as a secret shopper. Not bad, 5 out of 10. So, you may have heard of websites like Upwork and Freelancer. These websites allow you to submit proposals to clients who are seeking a service that you might offer. For example, I built my entire freelance web design business on top of Upwork prior to becoming a full-time YouTuber. However, I want to introduce you to a website called ClearVoice. ClearVoice is a freelance writing website that was recently acquired by the popular website Fiverr. ClearVoice is very different from other freelancing websites because freelancers win contracts on websites like Upwork by bidding on proposals. The problem with this is that it can sometimes create a race to the bottom mentality where, in order to get jobs, you just set the lowest bid possible, far under the client's budget, in order to become more appealing for the job. As a result, you end up making far less money than you're actually worth. With ClearVoice, no bidding takes place. Instead, you submit your portfolio of work and set your rate, and ClearVoice will automatically assign you to jobs that fit your profile. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $200 to as much as $1,000 per assignment, and some assignments take less than a day to finish. It is not too shabby for a little key tapping. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Spiraling down the list, we've got a website called Gigwalk. Gigwalk lets you complete small jobs for businesses and earn straightforward money doing so. Tasks include things like taking pictures of grocery shelves to make sure that a product is being displayed properly, auditing menus at restaurants, or going to company events to monitor quality and accuracy. Tasks on Gigwalk can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and will pay anywhere from $3 to $100. Depending on the complexity of the task. Anybody can make money doing this, whether you're looking for a little extra spending money or you want to earn an entire extra paycheck. This is a great app to use, and getting started is quick. Download the Gigwalk app on your Android or Apple device. Register your account, answer a few basic questions about yourself, link your PayPal account so that you can actually be paid, and get started. I'll give it a solid 6 out of 10. What if you could make money from the same pictures that you posted on Instagram, except you posted them somewhere else that actually made you money? Snapwire is very similar to another website on this list, Fope, in that you can sell your pictures to brands around the world and earn top dollar doing so. In addition to photos, you can also sell videos, graphic design, and artwork. There are essentially 2 ways for you to make money on this app. The first way is by uploading quality photos, graphic designs, and videos to your portfolio, and when somebody buys something from you, well, you'll earn a commission. The second way is by participating in challenges or contests that clients put up. Very similar to Phote, there's a list of requirements, and if your photo, video, or graphic design meets those requirements, the client will likely choose yours as the winner, thus paying you more money. Now, the amount of money that you make depends on the request, but it can range anywhere from $25 to as much as several $100s. And what's even more impressive is that you get to keep 100% of those earnings. Way to go, Snapwire. 6 out of 10. Now, if you have good listening skills and can type really well on a computer, you can earn money from the comfort of your home by transcribing audio or video. Scribby is a transcription service that businesses use to transcribe things like speeches, meetings, phone conversations, and even YouTube videos. This may not seem valuable to you, but many businesses will pay top dollar for this service, and all you need to get started is a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account to get paid. A good keyboard with some wrist support might also be a wise investment. Beginners can earn up to $800 per month transcribing, while more experienced types can earn up to $300 to $200 per month. I'll show you exactly how to start earning passive income in the video that follows if you want to start making more money. You guys are fantastic, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.